One, two, three. Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is going to be about vocabulary listening class. I'm sorry, listening class. And this is for grade 8th. Today, we're going to have like a special dictatorate for you, okay? It's like a dictation. So it's gonna be dictator. So I need is you listen and then you copy. Right? That's what I need you do it. We're gonna review. We're gonna do several exercises. We're gonna do three exercises. We're gonna copy words. Two, we're gonna copy phrases or sentences, and at the end, we're gonna copy questions. So the idea is that you understand how important is a listening class. Of course, talking about listening, listening, it's excellent. When you have, of course, a great and a spectacular sound, and trying to get better sound. I mean, and try to find a good and excellent device, and then you can listen to me very carefully and very nice, and you will understand, and then you can do a lot of exercises. All right. And what else can I tell you about listening? Well, uh, in my point of view, listening is the most important skill for learning another language. Remember, if you don't listen English, it's impossible for you to speak. So if you listen, you can speak. The point is, how many hours do you have to listen English? Well, as I told you, my suggestion is that you listen around 6, 8, or 10 hours per week. Or if you are interested in learning, better and more, what you need to do is increase the numbers of words that you are going to listen or you are listening. Well, that's all for today, and let's go to the point. So I need is you listen and then you copy, copy the words. It's like a dictator. So you listen and copy. Let me I do it an example. Um, for example, let's go with let me see, with words. For example, I say wonders, and you copy wonders. Okay. Remember, I'm going to say two times. Okay, two times. I'm going to say two times, and then you repeat. Right? So let's go. Come on, let's go. And let me see. How is it going? One, two, three. Listen and copy words. Activity one. Ready? One. Trapsure. Repeat. Trapsure. Trapsure. Two. Places. Places. Three. Wonders. Wonders. World. 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 Five. Always. Always. Greece. Greece. Next. Guess. 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 Good. Castle. 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 Library. 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 Cathedral. cathedral, theater, theater, culture, culture, university, climb, climb, between, 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 yes, was, where, visited or visited, lead, lead, watched, watched, statement, statement, sometimes, sometimes, walk, walk, useful, useful. Now let's copy phrases. Now this is like a dictation about some phrases, okay? I mean like a little paragraph. So you're going to copy the paragraph and you tell me how was it. All right? So let's do it. So let me see how are you in this, okay? Let's do it. Are you ready? So let's go. Come on, let's go. Remember that Machu Picchu, repeat. Remember that Machu Picchu is located at 2,430 meters above the sea level. So let me repeat. Remember that Machu Picchu is located at 2,330 meters above sea level. All right, good. Now let's go another one. Let me see how are you. All right, this in the Cusco region. Repeat. In the Cusco region of Peru, difficult to access, difficult to access from local settlements, settlements, settlements. The Incas turned the remote site into a small but extraordinary city. It is considered a very important cultured site as it was untouched by the Spanish during the conquest. Since the wider world heard about it at the beginning of the 20th century, Machu Picchu has become an important tourist attraction. Right? So no more. You see, you listen and copy, nothing else. Now, let's go with questions. Let's go with questions. What about questions that you need to listen and copy the questions? Okay. So let me see. Number one, how are you in the questions? So, how many people can visit Machu Picchu in a day? Repeat. How many people can visit Machu Picchu in a day? Two. What shapes do Nazca line from? Repeat. What shapes do the Nazca lines from? Continue. How high is the lake Titicaca? Repeat. How high is the lake Titicaca? Good. Okay. One question. Continue with the questions. Have you seen have you seen a film recently? Good. Had you been in Scotland? Had you been in Scotland? Had you been in Scotland? Have you seen Buckingham Palace? Have you seen Buckingham Palace? Have you seen Buckingham Palace? Is the vocabulary appropriate? Is the vocabulary appropriate? Is the information important? Is any information missing from the site? Repeat. Is any information missing from the site? Good. That's good. So that's where you need to copy. So listen and copy the questions one more time. Right? Good. Continue with the questions. What can you do with a cell phone? What can you do with a cell phone? Have you finished your homework yet? Repeat. Have you finished your homework yet? What are you doing? What are you doing? Repeat. What are you doing? And finally, the last one is, are you going to the party tonight? Are you going to the party tonight? So remember, you listen and copy, nothing else. Listen and copy. I hope so you